reading and interpreting data, read histograms. So right here we have a histogram. Histogram is similar to a bar graph, except that it gives you a range of numbers. It goes from actually 0 to 50, from 50 to 100, from 100 to 150, 150 to 200, 200 to 250, and 250 to 300. So again, it sits in range, and the range tends to be the same numbers because you can see there's an increase of 50. Now, it's like a bar graph because you got height here, because you can see that from 50 to 100 is actually 4. So let me write that better. So let's make that a better 4. So this is actually 4. Now, from 100 to 150, this is between 8 and 6. So the number between 8 and 6 is 7. Now, from 150 to 200 is between 8 and 10. So that is 9. Now, from 200 to 250 is also 4. And then the last one is actually between 0 and 2, so between 0 and 2 is 1. So now it wants to know how many more houses have an area between 150 and 200. So 150 and 200, well, that one we saw was 9. So this is 9. So again, let me write a better 9 here. So now it says between 250 and 300. Well, 250 and 300 is 1. So we just simply want to take 9 minus 1. So 9 minus 1 is 8. Okay, again, got a histogram, and again, we go from 0 to 3, but there's nothing there. From 4 to 7, from 8 to 11, and 12 to 15. Now these were balls in a billiard tournament game, so these are number balls that are being made here. So right here, from 0 to 3, there's nothing. From 4 to 7 is between 0 and 2, well, that's 1. From 8 to 11, that's between 4 and 6, so that's 5. And then 12 to 15, this is exactly 8. So how many games were played? So right here we have 1, 5, so 1 game was played there, 5 was played there, and 8 was played there. So this becomes 6 plus 8, and 6 plus 8 is 14. So it should be a total of 14 games. Now we have festivals here. We want to figure out the number of festivals from these countries. So 0 to 5 is 1, from 6 to 11 is 3, from 12 to 17 is 5. From 18 to 23 is 4. And from 24 to 29 is 2. How many festivals had 12 or more countries? So 12 or more countries. Notice down here, this is the country, so we're looking at these numbers here. So we're going to go 12 or more. So we're going to use 12 and 17, 18 and 23, and 24 and 29. So we're going to take this 5 plus this 4 plus this 2. So 5 plus 4 is 9. So 9 plus 2 is 11. Okay, next one. This talks about cherry pies, number of cherries here. So right here, the first column from 0 to 29, there's nothing shown. The second one, 30 to 59, that's between 4 and 6, so that's 5. From 60 to 89 is exactly 10. From 90 to 119 is 4. Now this does not fall on an exact number, so between 2 and 4 is 3. So how many more cherry pies have 60 to 89? So we want to take a look at this, and this number here corresponds with 10. We want to compare that to 90 to 119. So 90 to 119. This is 4. So we're doing a comparison because we know how many more. So in this case here we want to subtract. So we're going to take 10 minus 4 is 6.